Good morning. Sorry the hair. I woke up like half hour ago. I'm trying to keep my hair a little not so messy. Well, I actually woke up a little early, but then I come back to sleep and again early and then come back to sleep. And now I'm planning to drink my coffee while I watch a little of videos, and then I'm going to wash my car. Oh, that was bright. Yes, I have some. So, wash my car and work in my garden. And I will try to bring you with me. First, I will put the battery to charge. I see you in few. So, that is what I was ironing yesterday, last night. And now it's like I have so much things to do. But when you have a schedule that is like one day yes out and one day no, it's really complicated to have things done at home and complicates my life. So organization has to be really good, and sometimes it's like you need to do so many things, or when you have a split days off. Sorry, let me put this and I stop to make you dizzy moving. Okay, I took the sheets out. I'm trying to clean everything. I open the windows and turn off the air conditioner. It's not so hot. And I want ventilation, and I have all this to wash. Okay, I will leave my video editing and I need to begin laundry and also begin to wash my car. Okay, second batch going. All the colors, very bright colors here, black there. If somebody asks me what I use to wash, colors and whites, I go for the OxiClean plus the Tide. I mix together and I put. Then I have my softener. I use Downy. I love the smell and it's very nice. Actually, also I have Woolite that I put over the cloths, believe it or not. For whites and colors, this one, and for black and dark colors, this one. It's my way to keep the colors going good, and that is the reason also the old ones and the new ones are still having. This is like 3 years old, and these ones are, wait, this one is 1 year old and this one is new. We have everything ready for washing this. What is it here? I got my new plants on. I have to put the soil now, but first I need to wash the car. What is she doing? after I washed the car, I decided to get a little lunch. So I'm making avocado, boiled egg, some crackers, and some pineapple. And now I have my lunch that will be the crackers with a little of the avocado, the egg, boiled egg that I cut in little slices, and I put a little of sriracha in the top. And I have two cheese sticks, and I cut in little pieces because I love to look my food and think that it's delicious. It is usually delicious, but I love to trick my eyes and just feel like I'm in a restaurant eating something really, really yummy and fattening, you know. Here I have for dessert, I have little pieces of pineapple and grapes and oranges. And now I will just relax and enjoy it of a very nice warm day. What my two helpers do? Huh? Going to do gardening. Going to do gardening. Come on, brother. Now we'll begin that area. Silly girl. Okay, we got everything clean. That's my helper. I also clean it there and there. All the borders. Now let's take off from the grass and hold this in the car wash. I was watching videos after all that I did. I haven't taken a shower yet, but I think I really need to go and take a shower. And I really need to take a nap. I'm falling asleep. I think just 30 minutes of nap will be amazing for me. Tomorrow I work at 7, so why not? A little nap. Oh, I totally forgot that I didn't put the clean sheet, so I better do that before my nap. And, no, I'm sorry, before my shower, and then I take a shower and a nap. After my shower, I have my bed ready. I put a towel there, and TV also going on with HGTV. Perfect. Now relax. Dinner. Pizza. Yeah, pizza night. And watching videos. And believe it or not, I was craving for Coke. So I have a Coke. It's looking really good, huh? And we just hang our birdhouse. No, sorry. This time we hang our bird feeder. Hard to see from here. I need to find a place for my birdhouse. It's 9 in the night, and this is the light that we have. It's not beautiful to have light for more hours. I love that. 9 in the night, my time to be watering the plants, I guess. The lights are turning. My horses, they are huge now. I took all the weeds, so they are happy. And there goes my little baby. Okay. I think it's time to go to bed. You were a good puppy. Yeah, you didn't run to say hello. That is good. You are behaving good. Not like the silly doggy that is your mama, huh? Okay, and like I mentioned before, I finished my ironing. I was checking. I don't know if somebody else is having the same problem, but every time that I want to check any comment, for example, let me see. Just let me see something. We'll go to one of the videos. Yep. I go to the comments only when you have more then 2 comments, you see that they have the comments. But for example, if you see here, it doesn't show a comment. But then you see you have 3 replies. It's totally weird. I don't know if I'm the only one having that problem, or is just me. Maybe I need to fix something. But that is what happened. And a lot of times an ounce full, and then I check and it's coming again in this part here. Let me see. Will come a comment, and then it will just pop like I haven't read. It's weird. Okay, I hope YouTube fix whatever is going on with this thing. But anyway, time to go to bed. It's already 9:20 and I have to be at work at 7, so it means I woke up at 4, now 5. Okay, turning off the computer and saying good night to everybody. I see you soon.